Did you know that we can boost the production of corns using AI and drones? Yes, this is happening and happening right now. AI and drones are helping farmers improve the ROI, return on investment. Corn has been the number one plant since 2024 with 1.2 million metric tons of production expected to grow by 4.2% by 2027. Corn is the primary crop for feeding animals. Benefits of using AI and drones and analytics in corn production. The main difference between food and drone scouting are perspective, speed, and efficiency. It can take detailed view. Drone imagery gives detailed objective information on the small scale heterogeneity in corn performance and health caused by differences in soil type, nutrition status, weeds, pests or diseases, stress. To implement drones and AI analytics in corn production, growers need to follow a few simple steps. Firstly, they need to identify the goals and determine the areas of the field that require monitoring. Secondly, they need to acquire drone images of field to prepare a map. If they don't own a drone, corn growers can engage drone devices providers or ask Agremo for help to take field pictures. Drone imagery is stitched using Agremo to give 2D map of the fields. These maps are analyzed by software analytics based on latest scientific models using AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Agremo's reports and statistics help analyze the field map, divide it into different farms, and manage them, and hence preventing a lot of the mistakes that commonly go and provide better fertilization, yield greater results, improve productivity. At the end of the season, they can use the stack of data layers generated by Agrimo to prepare for the next season, also analyze and better understand the yields as they got from the current one. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content on AI and the new technology which is coming up.